Thank you. Yes, we don't have that anymore. Set fire to the rain. Oh, I still have one more song request. Set fire to the rain. Adele. All right. We're gonna give you one last thing. Set fire to the rain. Okay. All right. Thank you for all your requested songs this afternoon too. We appreciate that. Please like our page once again. Set fire to the rain of Adele. Hope you enjoy the rest of your afternoon, everyone, and congratulations to all the winners. Yeah.
It's correct weight on the final event. Correct weight 13, 11, 10 and 2. Very good afternoon, everyone.
Go. Last one for the run. What's your name? Connor. All right, Connor, here's your requested song. Let it go. My heart, as it fell, you also paid it. It was dark, but I was over until you kissed my legs and you saved me. My hands felt strong, but my knees are far too weak to stay in your arms without falling to your feet. And there's a side to you that I never knew, and the things you say they were never true, and the games you play, you will always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, what you pour aside, talk to face, but on fire, 'cause I've heard you screaming out your name, when I'm late for you. I could say that, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing is fair. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew, and the things you say they were never true, and the games you play, you will always win, always win. Come on, boys. Well, I said, that's right. What you born aside, touch your face, let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard you screaming out your name, but I set fire to the rain, and not to ocean, to the flame. But something died, 'cause I knew that it was the last time. Sometimes I wake up out of town, the heart you go must be waiting for you. Even now when we're already older, I can help myself from looking for you. I set the fire to the air, watch it go aside, touch your face, let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard you screaming out your name. Well, I set fire to the rain, and not to us, into the place where a person died, 'cause I knew that he was the last time, last time.